Hello everyone, we are Team Centric and we are tackling a problem statement ID 25046 and the problem statement Smart Waste Segregation and Recycling System proudly supported by Government of Odisha. So what is our mission is? Fix the biggest recycling fail, incorrect sorting by making our bins smarter than the person using it. So it starts here. Smart bins use the RFID and for your ID and weight sensors to log the mass. And also we use Vision AI which instantly classifies the material whether it's organic, inorganic, e-waste or whatever. And excitingly the feedback loop is a key. If you misclassify, you get an instant alert on your phone and a point deductions. It teaches the correct habits immediately. So the innovation we have in this is YOLO detection, YOLO based detection for high level accurate material identification and a bag solution. We solve the bag the waste problem with a shredding mechanism. It detects the bag, shreds it open and runs contents under NIR or GB sensors for a perfect sort. This allows them to run truck routes, saving a major time, fuel and a cost.
So our technical solution is not just smart, it is accountable and automated, solving India's two core challenges, citizen compliance and mixed waste. So the process begins with our scalable hardware setup. We utilize existing household dustbins with simple RFID codes pasted on them. At the designated collection point, we install two funnels, one for degradable and another for non-degradable. When the user discards their waste, the RFID reader, which is kept at the collection point, identifies the user and the truck's integrated scale captures the exact weight, and also the funnels will classify if the waste has been correctly put inside the funnels. Our system addresses the single biggest technical bottleneck, which is the sealed plastic bags. Right now, if a plastic bag arrives at any sorting facility, it immediately forces manual intervention. The human hands must cut it open to see the contents, and this is very slow, costly, and it needlessly exposes the sanitation workers to severe biological and sharp object hazards. It is the bottleneck that defeats the automation. The exposed material then hits the fusion sorting array. This array combines NIR spectroscopy for chemical identification with RGB imaging. We have used our YOLO vision models here. This industrial grade accuracy guarantees waste are correctly sorted and routed. Recyclables achieve high purity grades and are sent to specific recycling partners. Organic waste are routed for composting or biogas generation. Crucially, if e-waste is detected, it is routed for secure data wiping and provided for specialized reconstruction. So this model is a technically sound, financially visible and viable and scalable roadmap to achieve the goals. We achieve feasibility by being smart where it matters and simple where it costs. We utilize existing dustbins, making mass deployment highly affordable. The core intelligence, the YOLO models, NIR sensors, and the shredder is consolidated centrally, focusing the high capital into a single highly efficient facility. The viability of a system is immediate. We provide the municipal corporation with a digital twin, a live virtual replica of the entire waste network, and this powerful platform doesn't just show the data, it enables the predictive analysis for future waste generation. This intelligence allows us to achieve major savings. Through optimized routing, we guarantee a 30 to 60% reduction in fuel and labor cost, providing a clear and rapid return on investment for the government. Finally, the system is fundamentally sustainable. The reward penalty loop creates social viability by enforcing citizen accountability and participation, and the results are transformative. High purity segregation, including the routing of organics to composting and e waste to data wiping and deconstruction, drastically reduces landfill volume and creates high value revenue streams for the city. We also provide the municipality with a digital twin, a live virtual replica of the entire waste network, enabling the predictive analytics and transparency.
Now that you have seen how our system works, let me highlight the impact and benefits. On the impact side, our solution significantly reduces unnecessary collection trips, which means fewer vehicles on the road. It also improves the purity of the segregated materials and provides real-time collection data to the authorities. Importantly, it creates a direct feedback loop with citizens and ensures that waste is redirected successfully and efficiently. Coming to the benefits, this translates into saving municipal money and fuel, while also boosting revenue through recycling sales. It encourages people to develop better waste sorting habits, which lowers carbon footprint and pollution. Ultimately, this improves overall urban hygiene.
Look on a prototype, like we have two bins like this architecture flow how works. So that these are the waste segregation systems like we did for a static, like if we image is uploaded, it will provide the necessary deconstruction methods. And this is a hardware type where IoT device is integrated. If an object is detected, then it will move to a live cam so that it can be further next. This is our mobile app which is recommended in a problem outcome. Here's a dashboard. In that, a log waste is added, like now a static is added. In real time, it will be scanned by RFID and put up into many sensors like NRA and etc. So that this provides points, so that points can be redeemed through rewards. So here is a community leaderboard also, so that it combines all the neighbors and provide a community. And next is a digital twin. It will manage overall metrics and calculation and waste depositions by the municipal. This both apps for household and municipal too. Through a live link, we connected an in-depth research and survey to understand the real ground level challenges behind waste separation, especially focusing on household and e-waste management in Odisha. Our methodology combined direct surveys, on-field observations, and secondary research from government reports and dump yards, so that our findings like strike while policies for segregation exist. The implementation gap is massive. The households lag with a proper awareness. Disposal is unstructured, so that the dump yards are getting overloaded with uh, unsegregated waste. So that it includes hazardous waste like e-waste and etc. that cannot be noticed. So that we through a live survey through the India's largest dump yard, which is around 13 acres with waste, which is located in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, near Velalur and Pottanur. So that, and by conducting a live survey, so that we spoke with 2 to 3 of the local residentials, they told us about the survey is like the groundwater is not feasible and it is not suitable to live by the dump yards, so that they have breathing issues and another food habitats and more health issues. So that this are just not written words or papers. These are the real pain points should be solved by a government, and we took an initiative to solve. And this total survey is properly aligned with the SIH problem, so that we hope will bring a good result to the society and nation. Thank you.